Next, let's discuss Akismet. There are different types of security threats that may try to infect your website. Malware, distributed denial of service, also known as DDoS, brute force attacks, ransomware, and of course spam. People who try to embed malicious links into your comment forms, into your contact forms, and maybe even in the forum. So you don't want to have to sift through every single comment that comes through, and you don't want to put anyone at risk by allowing bad links to make it to the front end of your website or to pop into your email inbox. So with this plugin installed, and we'll go to settings here, it's going to automate the whole thing for you. It will prevent spam from ever touching WordPress. So you won't even have to see it. You won't have to deal with it. Akismet will filter it all out for you. The only thing that's required to set this up is that you do need a WordPress.com website. It's really easy to get set up. Just walk through the steps of getting your API key, and it will take you directly to WordPress.com so you can create that username and password and get started.